Press the subscribe button if you haven't already and press the bell icon and never stop learning.
Hi guys, welcome to Tech and Tuts. Today I am going to cover the basic ideas in Matlab and I am going to start with basic arithmetic operators. So let's start. There are some symbols and their operation and example. It is very easy. The symbol is plus, operation will be addition, and as an example you can take 2 plus 3 which will be equal to 5. Now here are the more symbols like subtraction, multiplication, division. So let's see how to apply these operators in MATLAB command window. Here I am going to add two values like 2 plus 3. The result is 5. Here I am not assigned any variable where the result will be stored. So if you don't assign any variable where the value will be stored, MATLAB will automatically store it in a variable in its inbuilt variable, that is answer. Now if you type just only answer, you can get your result, that is 5. Now I am going to store these values in a variable, just like here a is a variable where I store 2 and b is a variable where I store 3. Now I am going to store the summation value of a plus b in c equals to a plus b. So it is very easy, and the summation result will be stored inside the c. Now you can see there are a lot of commands in this command window. Now if you want to clear this command window, the command is clc. The command window is cleared. Now here is the workspace where the each and every value of the assigned variable is stored. Now if you want to clear this workspace, the command is clear all. Now the workspace is cleared. I again clear the command window, that is clc. Now the command window and the workspace both are cleared. Now next move to the next topic, that is the controlling the appearance of floating point number. Now next move to the next topic, that is controlling the appearance of floating point number. Now if you can control the how many digits after the decimal will be stored in for a floating number. For that the command is format short. Now if your result is x equals to minus 1.63.667, it is a default function of a MATLAB that it will show that 4 digits after the decimal and maximum 15 digits after the decimal it can be stored in MATLAB, as MATLAB can support only the double value. And if you want to see all the 15 digits, we use the command that is format long, and that is format long, and the result you can see one after decimal there are 15 digits. Now understand it very clearly in command window. Now you want to divide it 10 divided by 3 and the result is 3.3333. It is in format sort. Now you want to see it in format long, that is format long, and you just type answer. Here you can see there are 15 digits after the decimal. So it is the application of format short and the format long. Now move to the next topic, that is the entering multiple statements per line. Here you have to use comma or the semicolons to enter more than one statement at once. Commas allow multiple statements per line without suppressing the output, but if you use the semicolon it will suppress the output. Now let's understand this thing in Matlab window. Now here I assigned a variable a. Inside a I stored 3. Now I give the comma, then I take another variable b. Inside variable I store the value 2. Now here I give the semicolon. Let's understand this. Here you can get only the output a equals to 3, but here in the workspace you can see both the value of a and the value of b are stored in the Matlab workspace. Here you can see the value of b, the output of b is suppressed. Now if you enter a equals to 3 semicolon, there is no output as the value is suppressed. B equals to 2 semicolon, no output as the value of b also suppressed. Now you can see c equals to a plus b, and here you can get the output because the value of a and b are stored inside the Matlab, but it is not showing the output of a and b only. But when you use those variables to get the output of c, you can get the result. So this is the basic applications of comma and semicolon. Again I repeat, when you just want to uh, when you just want to write more than one variable in a single line, you just use the comma. But when you want to suppress those values, you have to use the semicolon. So let's move the next topic, that is mathematical functions. There are a long list of mathematical functions that are inbuilt in Matlab. Those functions are called the built-ins, and here are the functions. Here are the lots of functions: trigonometric functions, square root functions, log functions, maximum minimum functions, float, round off. So let's see it in Matlab command window. Now here I stored a value 0 inside a and I suppressed it. Now let's use the function inbuilt Matlab function, that is sine. After typing sine, I have to use a parenthesis, that is first bracket. Under this first bracket I have to write the variable a, and I get the result, that is sine of a means sine of 0 is equal to 0. You can use all of these Matlab functions separately, and I hope you can go for that. And if you have any problem with any of these Matlab functions, you can tell us in our comment section. So let's move to the next topic, that is predefined constant values. Here are some constant values which are predefined in Matlab, that is pi, the number where pi is equal to 3.14, I and j which are normally used as imaginary unit, inf is used as infinity, and nan is used to define not a number. So let's check this. Now I stored a equals to 1. Now I take another variable c equals to a divided by inf, and you can see c equals to a divided by inf, that is a divided by inf, that is 1 by infinity. You can know anything is 1 by infinity, that will be 0. Now move to the next topic, that is an example. Here, before I am going to show you a full example, I have to tell you one thing, that is override method. Here first I store 3 inside A. Now I am going to overwrite A. That means A equals to A plus 1. Here the value of A is now 4. It is the override method in Matlab. Now I am going to take a full length of example, that is A equals to 5, x equals to 2, y equals to 8. A equals to 5, y equals to 2, x equals to 8. Now I am going to take c equals to sine of A plus exponential of 2 and the square root of x. Sorry, here is y. And here is the answer. It is in format long format. Look carefully, it is in format long. Now I am going to take this value in format short. Now see, here it is in format short. So I hope you understand this video well. Here I am going to end this video, and if you have any doubt, please comment under this comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much.